Today is a beautiful day and it's windy. Do you all like bubbles? I like bubbles. My today's experiment is about making bubbles. For that, we will need water, oil, and food coloring. The most important thing, Alka Seltzer. Took 1 cup of oil. Now I'm going to pour it in the water. Then I would like the water at the end. Wow, it looks like you see the 2 separate layers. That's because the density of water is high and the density of oil is low. That's why the oil goes up. Put 2 drops of food coloring. Now you're gonna take Alka Seltzer. Broke it into pieces. Now you're gonna put them in. Wow! Everything at the top is going at the bottom. And everything at the bottom is going to the top. Do you not know why there's just balls of food coloring? That's because they're bubbles.